Hey, this your boy King Smiles with a new video.
It's your boy King Smiles. Welcome to Eat with King. Welcome to my channel.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy King Smiles. Welcome to Eat with King. If you are new to the channel, I hope you stay here for the vibes and the conversations and the food. Shout out to all my new subscribers. I see y'all out there. Y'all put in the comments letting me know that y'all are new. Listen, I love when new people come over here because, you know, King Smiles, Eat with King is a vibe. So today we are actually eating a cheesesteak, baby. So we eating a cheesesteak. I actually got small fries, and they really didn't give me that many fries. I know it was small fries, but baby, what I'm going to but it's small fries, so we're going to just make it work or whatever. So, you know, the signature sugar-free juice. This is fruit punch today. I always drink fruit punch, the sugar-free juice. It just be good. I hope that everybody had a really good weekend or whatever. Cause you know I did. Shout out to my sister and her boyfriend. They are new house owners. If I'm saying that right, house owners. They just bought a house, went to their housewarming. So if you didn't see that short on the YouTube channel, make sure you check that out. We had so much fun. Like we just be lit. Like, you know, we be lit. We be having so much fun. But I am eating from this place for the very, very first time. Shout out to my mom because my mom tried this out. She said their cheesesteaks are good. So I was like, oh, I got to order from them too. So as y'all see, it's still wrapped up. And I'm going to pick the name of right here. This is where they from. I said what this is where they from. This is this is the name of where I actually ordered this from. The cheesesteak does look good. It does. Ooh, baby. Oh, was bad. But it does smell good. It look good. Look at that. Oh, babe. So it was wrapped up really nice. Wrapped up really nice. I already tasted some of the fries before I started this video because the boy was hungry. So I already know what the fries taste like. But, you know, just average fries, you know, nothing spectacular or anything like that. You know, just got salt and pepper and ketchup on it or whatever. Why I'm being bougie? I'm about to eat the fries with the fork. The fries are good. And y'all know I got my ketchup on the side because, you know, they cut it uneat, whatever. It doesn't matter. It's all going in one place. So let me get the bigger one first. So yes, y'all see that? Y'all can't see the smoke coming from this, but it is smoke coming from it. You know what? I was about to put ketchup on it, but let me just taste it without the ketchup. Let me see. Baby, that is a cheesesteak. What? This is good. Mmm. This is good. So yeah, Appleby Deli. What? Yo, I never. Yo, this is our. Yo, I'm gonna put a little bit of ketchup on it. It already tastes good with no ketchup on it. But y'all know me, I like ketchup. I like ketchup on everything. It just makes the taste more better. But Mmm. 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 Yo, I might as well put the fries on the plate. There y'all go. Trying to make sure y'all can see everything. There we go. Yo. That's what a cheesesteak is supposed to taste like. A cheesesteak's not supposed to be all crunchy and chewy. The meat is cut up just right. The onions are in there just right. It has a nice taste to it. Wait. Mmm. 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 Now that is good. Jesus. Like, I knew it was gonna be good, but I didn't know it was gonna be good, good. You know why y'all like this video? Like this video right now, comment below. If you never had a cheesesteak in your life, you missing out. Mmm. 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 This is good. Mmm. 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 That is good. Y'all know what's so crazy? Before I started a mukbang channel, I was never a foodie. Like, people will always talk about food all my life growing up and stuff. And I'd be like, oh, okay. I mean, I like food, but I don't want to be talking about stuff like that. It's not that deep. I would never watch the cooking channel because I would never understood. I never wanted to watch someone eat their food, like cook the food, and they eat it like, this is so good. I'm like, but I can't taste it though. So like, I would never watch the cooking channel. That's how my whole mind frame was. I'm like, I'm not about to watch you eat because I can't even taste the food. Because now I'm jealous that I can't taste the food with you. Done changed into a whole mukbang channel. That's crazy. Mmm, mmm, mmm. It's so good. Shout out to them. I'm trying out all these new places that I've never been to. Mmm, mmm, mmm. So good. Alright, here's the other one. This one got a lot of meat up in there. I'm gonna add a little some ketchup in here. Um the way how this tastes, it just really don't need ketchup in it. Like, that's how good it is. It don't even need no ketchup in it, but like I said, yo, I just like ketchup on everything, so. But that's how good it is. Like, if you're in the area and you want to order from them, I definitely recommend it, to try the cheesesteak. Mmm, mmm, mmm. This don't make no sense. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Just put a little bit more. I want to taste it. Baby. Mm, mm, mm. Yo, this is good. That's a good cheesesteak. I knew this was about to be good. Once my mom told me that it's real good, I knew it was gonna be good. Woo! Woo! Mm-mm-mm-mm. If you new here, subscribe. Subscribe to the channel, baby. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Yo, this is so good. I don't want this to be. I don't want this to be over. That's how good this is. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely getting that cheesesteak again. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Look at me. Yo, this meat is good. Yo, this was what. This is what I was talking about. That was good. Mm, mm, mm. Baby, baby girl. I'm gonna stop, but y'all. Yo, that was so good. Oh my gosh, shout out to them. Wow. It just be so many places. You know what? That's what y'all should start doing. Wherever you live at, just start checking out other places that you normally don't even go to. Like it's so many places around here in my area that I do not visit and I don't check out. Like I just usually go to the same places that I'm used to going. I usually don't like trying new places because if I try a new place and if I don't like the food, I just be feeling like I wasted my money. And I do not like wasting money at all. So I just always like to stick to the same spot, stuff that I know, stuff like that. But them right there, they're really good. But woo child. Alright, y'all. I hope y'all like this video. I hope y'all like this video. Make sure you comment. Like, just comment. Say something. It helps YouTube. Just help the boy out. Like, I feel like I had this channel for a minute and they still don't know who the boy is. Like, what is going on? But make sure you comment below. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe if you are new. If you're watching me on your TV still right now, hello. Make sure you at least go on your phone real quick. Be like, hey, I was watching you on my TV, but I just want to comment because you just told me to comment. So do something like that. You know what I'm trying to say? So, all right. I'm out of here. I'm about to sleep like a baby tonight. And see you in another video later this week. See y'all.